Hi, this is QP Learning Educational Channel. Please press subscribe button along with bell icon. You will get any new notification whenever I upload new video into this YouTube channel. This is QP Learn Online Education Learn Perfect. Today is our one of the new topic, that is Coulomb's law in electrostatics. The statement is that according to Coulomb's law, the magnitude of force of attraction or repulsion between any 2-point charges are at rest is directly proportional to the product of their magnitudes of charges and inversely proportional to the square of the distance between them. So this is the statement of Coulomb's law. See, according to him, the force between any two charges, how much force will be exerted when the two charges are kept near. So that is the intention to tell about this law. Then after, just we have to know about the formula of Coulomb's law. F is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into Q1 Q2 divided by R square. Here Q1 and Q2 is the product of the charges, is directly proportional to force between the two charges, and R is the distance, it is inversely proportional. It is like that. F is directly proportional to Q1 and Q2. It means when quantity of the charges increases, the automatically force of attraction or repulsion between any two charges is also increases. In the same way, the distance is inversely proportional, 1 by R square. So inversely proportional means if one quantity is increases, automatically the other quantity will be decreases. For example, if the distance between two charges is, if you increase, so automatically the force will be decreases. So that is called inversely proportional. Then where 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught is equal to k is nothing but as a constant, that constant is equals to 9 into 10 to the power of 9. So sometimes while calculating any problems, you can directly use 9 into 10 to the power of 9 instead of 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught. So then we have to know about the Coulomb's law in vector form. So that is F21 means vector, the F is the vector, here small r is the unit vector, R21 and F21. These two things we have to apply for the same formula what we have learned in the previous. So thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.